Hey guys, welcome back to the fourth week of Whiteboard Wednesday. Just wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you to everybody that's been giving me this amazing positive comments and feedback, and it's really giving me momentum and making me want to keep going with these great videos. So let's jump right into week 4 with my fourth takeaway from the Bright Bee podcast that I was on a while ago. And if you haven't listened to that yet, go ahead, find it on our webpage, click the link and give that podcast a listen. So my fourth key takeaway is something that seems to be common sense, but a lot of agents don't actually do, and that's genuinely caring about your clients. Genuinely caring about them, giving them just a smidge of actual interest in what they're talking about, outside of the insurance world, and just a little bit of empathy when they're going through that claim or that hard time or that question that they don't understand is really going to help reinforce that bond between you and your client, and it's really going to help retain their business. One that sticks with me that I had spoken to somebody about a year or so ago was she was sitting down across the table from me and she said, "My agent isn't the one that's going home at night and can't sleep." She said, "My agent doesn't realize that, I might have had that car accident and he sees those every day, but I'm the one who gets into a car every day and is now nervous to drive because of that car accident." And it really affected her, and that made me realize we do see this every day. We see those, unfortunately, house fires, we see deer claims, we see car accidents, and it's just common for us to say, okay, here's a claim number, let me know if I can help you with anything else. But that person goes home and they're a little bit traumatized from that. So you really need to take the time to talk with that client, give them a little bit of sympathy, a little bit of extra, motivation to say it's okay, we're going to get you through this. And that's really going to help you retain that client and strengthen that customer relationship. So it might seem like common sense, but next time you're on the phone with one of your clients, remember in the back of your mind, show them that you genuinely care, and they're totally going to appreciate that. So hopefully you wrote that down and you're going to go and actually talk to your clients a little bit extra this week, and hopefully we'll see you next week.